Hello, this is a demonstration for my iOS app I made for the S65 iOS class. First here, I'm demonstrating all of the basic functionality of a Game of Life application. If you're not familiar with the concept, feel free to Google Conway's Game of Life. Basically, it is a form of cellular automata where each cell has a set of rules which it follows, and then we get this intricate behavior that emerges from those simple rules. So this demonstrated all of the basic functionality. Now we're demonstrating that we can also pull other people's designs, or in this case they're called configurations, and these are being pulled from a JSON file on Dropbox. So the file is being read, and all of the different configurations are being applied to the grid. And so here I'm also showing that we can create our own configurations. I just briefly need to enable the keyboard input. And then when we enable the keyboard, we can choose the title, and we can also choose the size, and I just left that at default. And then we can also edit this configuration to make any of our own configurations. Currently there's no option to upload these since we only want to test the existing configurations we already have, but you can see we can simulate those, and then we can also see interesting statistics about all of these configurations, or rather the previously run simulations. And this is just demonstrating that the application does in fact work in all orientations, although supporting all orientations is becoming less and less popular with app developers. It's good to do nonetheless. And then lastly here, I believe I will demonstrate that the application does also work in dark mode, which is sort of expected behavior for modern apps nowadays. So bear with me while I slowly go through this simulation of an iPhone and turn on dark mode. All right, so now that we have dark mode enabled, we can quickly go back to our application and just verify that everything looks reasonably good. This is obviously artistic choice more than sort of programming choice and style, but you can see that it does look reasonable, and it's more pleasant in a dark environment, for example. But yeah, that pretty much covers everything there is about my iOS app. I don't expect I'll see this on the App Store anytime soon, but I do believe it covers most of the basic functionality. Thank you for your attention.